Okay, so we have a GE model refrigerator and the line is frozen here. As you can see, nothing comes out. So here is what you're going to need. So the spot that's frozen on this is right behind where it comes in right here. It's frozen solid. And it's even set, this thing is set super low as you can see, but it's still frozen. Just to give you an idea as to how long this is going to take. It is 3:25. Here we go. Just regular weed whacker cord. I'm going to use this to try to free this up a little bit. Okay, it is now 3:47. It's still not working with the hairdryer. I've been using the hairdryer for a couple of minutes now. I've been pumping it a little bit with just some weed whacker cord to try to free up some of what's frozen. I have an air pump here. This is a regular air pump that I would use to inflate things with, and I just have a basic straw. I'm not really going to create a good seal, but I'm just going to go underneath here, and I'm going to jam it right up into the water hole there. I'm going to fire it on for a second. So all it's really doing is blowing water. Now, after doing that for a few minutes, voila, water. Zoe, what'd you think of that? Okay, cool.